The Sonos Roam's blinking blue light is typically an indication that the device's Bluetooth pairing mode has been activated, allowing it to connect with other devices via Bluetooth. To resolve the issue, pair the Sonos Roam with your device by holding the power button for 2 seconds to engage Bluetooth pairing mode. Then, go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Select the Sonos Roam from the list of available devices, and wait for the connection to be established. Once connected, the LED light will stop flashing and become a solid blue. For future connections, the Sonos Roam will automatically pair with the device if its Bluetooth pairing mode is engaged and the other device's Bluetooth is enabled. However, if the device remains idle for 30 minutes, the Sonos Roam will automatically disconnect the Bluetooth pairing.